I'm about to take Brando's star back. I mean, my star back. I mean, Luke's star back. Dude, I just got fucking comboed to hell.
I saw Wario. You couldn't
69,
move.
baby.
You couldn't move, Wario.
It happened last time, dude. I hate that minigame.
And we keep getting it. And it's from Mario Party 3. That you know what that means. Our next playthrough has to be Mario Party 3.
Oh, yeah.
Bowser time. Nope, not quite.
Nope. Not yet.
Not quite. You got a lot of choices, Wario.
Dude, I roll first. Ooh, is that? No, I think I needed a 6, didn't I?
You can check.
Why? Yeah, I needed a 6 to change that.
Well, next turn, maybe there'll be something spicy in the store.
Maybe. A golden pipe.
Can I roll something higher than a 1, please? I knew this was gonna happen.
Well, hey, at least you'll roll a 3 whenever you get.
Hang on.
True.
I'm gonna roll better with the curse star. That was your undoing.
Oh, say hello.
I'll catch up to you, Star. Watch this.
You get a red if you roll a 3. It's gonna be another 1v3.
Oh my god. Can we play some free-for-alls?
God damn it, dude.
Oh. What is it this time? A new one?
Money buds. Money buds.
Money buds.
I want to play Money Belts.
Well, we played this one before.
I struggled as the one for some reason.
I'm really curious to see how it feels now.
I think it was like because of the delay or something, maybe.
Yeah, sure.
Could have been the delay. Okay, I'm struggling.
You see? Do I mean?
I am struggling. This does not feel like the GameCube.
How did you miss that, Birdo? What the hell?
This does not feel like the GameCube.
Yeah, it does not feel the same at all, dude.
And I am used to the GameCube. Oh, the turning's weird, dude.
It's weird, dude. I'm telling you.
You were not kidding. Ah!
No! You still did better than me, though.
Alright. I didn't fall off once.
And the GameCube, you could, like, go right to the very edge and still fucking be fine.
I feel like there were sharper turns back then.
Yeah.
This one felt weird, dude. Those GameCube minigames are ingrained into my skull.
Yeah, especially the ones from 4.
Ooh.
No, I don't want to get this one.
Am I the only one that gets the floaty?
I guess so. I got a lot of Peach. In
I
my
guess
first
you
one.
really can't swim.
Daisy.
Oh
She is from the
no.
desert. Ooh.
Well, I mean, Star has a golden pie, but Brando stole my star, 80 stole my star twice.
I stole AV star.
I'm gonna do random.
Actually, that was Luke's star. That wasn't my star, so really you.
Ooh.
It said to be the best move, and I was like, no, I don't want to steal from this stuff.
Well, he's got the pipe and he's in front of it.
Like that. That's true.
It's the best decision, logically.
Star keeps getting stolen from.
I keep getting stolen from, dude.
Dude, me too, man.
You are such a big liar.
Dude, Brando stole from me, man.
Okay, Brando was literally stolen from everyone.
I just finessed everyone with my words.
This one?
Hammer Slammer.
Oh, what is that?
Don't get
oh,
B
is that the hidden
Junes.
block? It's a dual one, too?
A dueling glove.
Glove?
That'd be hype.
Don't go too hard,
This
brother. Oh, wow.
Ooh,
that was
I thought it was
not hard
gonna
at
be
all. What
B
the
Junes.
fuck?
I thought it was gonna be B Junes for sure.
Oh.
Looks like, we better hurry up and get those stars, brother, before he changes it on us.
Very true.
I don't think I get there in time, so...
At the very least, you could buy something that could help.
Probably a
You
pie.
get a golden pie.
Please.
That apple
you
is
look good.
huge. Have it as insurance, dude, in case something stupid happens.
Yep, exactly.
Unfortunately, I went across the table, so I did not buy out items.
Well, you're
You should
looping
use your
around.
pipe, Yoshi, to guarantee that you get there.
Across the table.
Our table!
Oh.
God damn it, if I hit the event space, both of you are just gonna pipe over there.
Yeah, we're good.
A dueling glove.
Item bag. Wow, those are some really good stuff, dude.
Any of those are good.
And you got one of the boring ones.
Double dice.
I want to see a duel. I want to see anyone that's not me play the TikTok one. Oh boy, we're moving.
Nice. Well,
Can I get a dueling glove?
Wow, you have a lot of options for first place.
If you had
I
a
just
custom, you would have been fine, Brendo, because you could have switched it right back.
Yeah, man. Every time I spin the wheel, I just get money instead.
I mean, hey, you can get the coin thing.
True.
wow.
Oh.
Dude, I don't
Really?
even feel like
What?
saying my scientific reasons whenever it's only for 10 coins.
It doesn't feel as high stakes, you know what I'm saying?
I'm just gonna use some half-assed reasoning.
Ooh, I wonder if that'll make an impact on our hypotheses. As for my hypotheses, I keep talking about my enemies and my friends, but this time I'm going to go for the wild card. No color at all.
Bad, not bad.
Alright, Yash. We know deep down, viewers, in Star's mind, he has, like, math formulas flying in front of his face.
Okay,
That's
okay.
bad.
That's how he got that. And then I look at the chat and he says, I like pink.
Every single time I pick red in the first round, it ends up being red. But I don't learn from my mistakes.
Well, your ribbon is red.
Oh, thank goodness.
Shit. Alright, so right here I have a choice between green and yellow, and really, I have to pee super fucking bad, so I'm gonna choose yellow.
Well, let's not let you use the restroom.
No.
wow.
Let's see.
You're upset.
I went for colorless last time, so we're just gonna go for the one on the opposite side because opposites interact.
Interact?
No, we're trying. Viewers, this is why I didn't major in science.
Science rules.
Bill.
Our table. No.
Logic. Can somebody lose?
Okay, so it was green last time, right? And green is not a creative color. White is not a color at all, and purple is pretty cool, but the odds of it being green twice in a row is 1 in 25 or 4%. So
He pulled out the math.
Okay, so unfortunately I have a choice between white and pink, and Birdo's pink, and I really fucking hate Birdo, so I think I'm gonna choose white. And
it literally
especially-
matches up with his
I'm about to
overalls.
white
It's
out
purple.
in my face right now if I don't go
You're gonna
pee,
cry,
please.
piss your pants, and come.
Oh my god, I'm going pee, I'm letting it just choose whatever.
Here, I'll use up the timer so AV can go pee in peace. And in honor of AV's pissing, I'm going to pick the pee color switch as well. It matches my dress.
Peace.
It's only for $10, but it's also for the minigame star, which I will not get.
Alright, Yoshi, what's your reasoning?
What the dog doing?
True. Oh, crap.
I just have to say a meme and Star lives.
So
Does that mean AV's gonna pick without, like, the thing
I picked
letting him?
green and red, and if you mix the colors green and red together, I don't know what you get. I think it's like
You
brown or
don't
something,
get white or purple.
but it's not that. Bro, that's
Oh.
stupid.
Is AV gonna win from peeing?
Probably.
Oh boy. He should just mash the A button while he's gone. Wow, he really likes the color green. He's like, I'm gonna win. If he gets this, I will laugh. The AFK strat meta.
Well.
Oh no. Star, don't lose. Don't lose to an AFK. Tables!
I guess they can be that shade of yellow, you're right.
Oh, he's still in it. He's still in it. AFK Wario. What will he do? He's going for the green. The crowd waits in anticipation. Wario prays to the Lord, RN Jesus. You have got to be kidding me.
Oh my god.
There's no way. There's no way.
Last time
I'm still alive?
You won.
Yes.
You got 2 AFK switches. How are
fuck.
you here?
Dude, now I'm gonna lose. So the thing is,
AFK
I think
Wario.
green is automatically chosen whenever I'm AFK, so it was already chosen twice, so I'm gonna have to go with yellow, so I'm gonna go with green again because it might think I'm still AFK.
AFK Wario chose green twice and is living. Oh my god.
I gotta
If
watch
you
this
win
video.
this is... Oh my god. This is already a highlight. There's no way.
Oh
Oh
my god.
my god. While you were gone, 2 of us died and you won twice on the thing on green.
Let's go, dude.
It's
Let's go AFK Wario.
That was so stupid.
This pads out all the episodes.
How did you win? Yes.
Yeah.
It's the fourth.
All 3 of us, I think, are over there.
What do you mean? Oh. But
The
I
left,
might get
you mean?
worked with. Well,
With
I'll
cold,
roll
though.
this to
Let's see where he goes.
actually here when you know.
Oh.
But I'll probably get worked with anyway, so in which case I can get moved over and potentially get a golden's pipe.
Ooh, thank God I roll last. Both of you use your pipes because we're going to Bowser Land.
Yeah, I'm out of here, dude.
Please and thank you.
I am not
The way he
paying.
tucks his arms. That was really funny.
I'm moving too.
Oh, crud.
Moving.
I'm about to take
He's-
Brando's star back. I mean, my star back. I mean, Luke's star back.
Yeah, my star, you dumb idiot.
Yikes.
Why is it so ugly? Why is his nose pink like that?
Dude, you can't. You have no fucking room to talk, Birdo.
Wario, don't listen to him. You have really nice eyeliner.
Yep.
You gotta go back. Thank you.
Oh my god,
Oh,
were you
thank
button
you,
mashing?
dude. I was fucking button mashing, dude.
You gotta chill. You gotta chill.
Dude, I'm really a fucking button masher, man. What do you want from me?
I got triple licked.
There's definitely fucking images out there.
You know, I gotta give props to Boo. You know, even though I don't like Cantaloupe, he's right in between the 2 big ones.
Okay.
True. My
He's
shooting shit?
chilling. I
Oh,
am at the
no.
far left start. I hate this one.
Dude, I think I'm gonna miss everything.
Oh boy. Yeah, I'm far left start. Ooh,
Another warp.
nice jump.
Okay.
I could, yeah. Warp blocks ahoy.
The double now.
Wait, I didn't even realize he has 4 now.
Right.
You fucking bet I do.
Wario, I'm coming over there, and I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take my star. I mean your star. I mean Luke's star back.
I'm just trying to have a good time, dude.
Damn it, man. I'm about to lose
I'm
2
having a great
stars.
I'm about to lose
Actually,
all
well-
the stars back. Stupid quicksand game gave us so much power.
It doesn't even matter actually, because Brenda, you have to go all the way around again, anyways, when you use your warp.
Oh man. Well, Star, you got the money.
You almost smashed.
The triple licks.
Look at my fucking cleft chin, bro. And the fucking nega chin.
Oh my god.
I don't like the way they say it in the show.
The nigga chin!
Dude, Mr. Crocker is kind of sus.
Fairy godparents!
The
Oh,
nigga
wow.
chin-
No!
Oh shit, well. There you go.
Now I'm not gonna steal.
You don't even have to warp, bro. Oh yeah, you're right. It would have been better if you did. Let's go. Save myself
No.
and Star. Let's go, Star.
No. Now I have to stay here.
He wasn't gonna steal from you anyway, Star, but save myself. Thank you.
Oh, now I roll an 8 when I could have been on the right.
Oh yeah, by the way, Star, that ghost truce is already over since you stole that. That was the one truce.
Look, guys, I earned a star normally.
Let's go, Brando. Good job, man.
Thank you, sir.
Now I'm gonna
Oh,
warp
sure
with you.
one.
I'm gonna warp back. And then you can use your second warp and warp
The
again.
game said no free for alls, even though we did just
Puddle
do that
paddle.
big blast.
Let's go.
Alright, Luke, I steer like a drunk person. Let's do it.
Okay, Stardust too. It's okay.
Oh, it's this one. Alright, let's go.
Oh,
How
I
does
see.
turning
So
work?
When I do it, it's the other way. Okay.
Hopefully, they don't get all the bags like last time. Oh, let's
Wow.
go.
Really?
Go backwards. Let's go.
Really?
Let's go.
I know you weren't lying,
Ah, that's fine. That's fine.
but I'm still disappointed.
Let's just keep going forward, honestly.
No, you leave us alone.
Get out of here.
Pick up-
No, they cut us off, bro. Nothing we can do there.
I got you,
Turn
Luke.
around. Look at that.
This
again?
way.
Oh, fuck. Fine.
Well, Luke,
I hear
I redeemed myself.
You know what? We'll take that.
We got more than them.
You team up with me, you get 2-3.
7-2-3.
Did they really cut us off, dude?
I was like, we gotta cut them
I-
off. I want
shit,
that bag.
Dude, we have more fucking arm power on our side,
Back
too.
fire.
Honestly, I should have just fucking jumped off of my raft and dived under theirs.
You could. you
Thank you,
fat
guys.
ass.
Is that the thing?
No.
Aw,
Barely.
Smash.
We keep landing just before it or after.
I'm not warping. I lied to you.
Dude,
Wario, how could you do that?
what?
You could get your 57th lucky if. You know what's a bummer, dude? Taking the toll, you missed the store.
I know. It's a bummer.
I paid the price.
Yoshi should land on another event space. That'd be pretty cool.
Or get a star with his double dice.
He did win them.
True. Okay.
Okay.
God damn.
God.
Yoshi is just top tier. Like, he just rolls hot. There's nothing you
Guess
can do
so,
about
He
it.
refuses to lose. Alright.
My table or our
What-
table.
Oh,
Oh.
no, what are you landing on?
I think he's landing.
Right before it.
Don't tell me you're going to Bubba.
I think he does.
Right after, dude?
Oh my god, that's
That's
so
fine.
rude.
I mean, I have 2 fucking warps, dude. I'm out of there anyways, then.
No, he's gonna work
I'm
with
about to
me.
cross the bridge, so I'm gonna make my way.
I'll fucking warp with anyone, dude.
It's gonna pick me because
The warp is nasty.
I have 2 of them too, so no matter what, I'm fucking safe. Like if I warp with Brando, he tries to warp back.
and then I just warp with Luke because the game hates him. Get out of here, Chief Chump. You're no Bubba.
I wonder. What should I do this next turn? Oops, that was a misplaced.
I remember I accidentally clicked sorry and Luke got so mad because it was after something happened. And he's like, "You're not sorry!"
I didn't yell that loud, but I
It was so
stand by my
funny.
statement.
It was so funny.
But like, you're not. You had the full intent to do it.
I'm not gonna warp.
Don't
I'm
worry.
gonna roll a lower than a 5. Look at all this money I can't use, dude. I might just go get a pipe.
That's what I was thinking you should
Yeah.
do.
There's no reason not to.
I was hoping you would have paid for the fucking toll though. So like,
Maybe I'll make the toll 130 or something.
No, you have
Oh, you
two
got two
blocks.
as well.
Hey, you guys like warps?
We're matching.
Let's go. Free
That's
for all?
fair.
High chance of a new minigame?
No.
Never mind.
I
This
hate
was the
this
one that
game.
lagged on our live stream.
This is a really stupid match. Like
Stupid matching game.
just make it.
I thought I
A,
had it,
or
but
make it
I
B,
thought I had it,
man.
but Star beat me barely.
Or fucking make it both. It's so dumb.
Well, it's a matching game, so I just lose by default.
Hey, mine matches me. Please.
Tried the
Alright.
double. I tried the double
Hope
finger
you
on one
enjoyed that
hand
noise,
tactic.
viewers. I did it
Next
right
time
in
I'm
front
gonna
of the
do
mic.
the double thumb tactic. See if that works better.
I'm gonna do the Shy Guy star.
All right, that tactic does not work. I don't think. I'm getting kind of low.
Oh, my dude dipped. We all passed 40.
Dude, I'm way low right now, brother.
Hey, I got last place again. Who would have thought? Isn't that so crazy?
Yes!
Winner.
Oh,
Dude.
I finally beat Star at a masher. But now I sacrificed two fingers.
I guess Daisy's the best at fingering.
Dang.
Yes. Oh.
You should use a curse on yourself.
I was considering it and staying in last place, so I would get a golden pipe from the guy, but I was like, I
The
think-
guy?
The guy. Are you the
I'm the
guy?
guy.
Is it like a Koopa Troopa or something in this one? I don't know who it is. It might be Yoshi. That's why I said the guy.
Probably Kamek.
Dude, Spy Kids 3D was a fever dream.
It's great though. I need this. I
Oh,
need a star
gosh.
right here.
Uh-oh.
Give him a star,
Oh,
thank you.
Sag.
But he does have enough to steal.
You could give me 14 coins. Come on, instead of 13.
It's Bow Wow right now, ain't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm out of here.
Congratulations on stealing a star from me or Star.
I'll take
I
it.
knew it.
Never
My
mind.
controller rumbled when he did that.
That's weird.
I knew it.
Weird man.
Well, he can afford a pipe, but he can't buy a star after.
Yeah, I can't go to the right because I was gonna land on the fucking happening thing.
Oh. Dude, now if I warp, what if I get Wario and I miss the shop, and then I miss the toll, and then I miss the... I'm such a poopy
Oh, you
warp.
have another warp.
Good train.
I think I need to take a chance, bro.
Chance time.
I think I'm gonna take a chance. Because if it's Wario, I'll just use my next warp.
Oh,
Oh,
No
on
chances
second
for
thought,
you.
You know, maybe I
Fuck,
really like
man.
this island, you know? I really like Watermelon Island. I think I'm
I
gonna...
just bought this fucking pipe for nothing. I'm broke.
oh,
I have
Wait,
no
Star,
moolah.
come back! Star, come back!
we made it.
You know, I really like Watermelon Island. I'm gonna stick
Star's
around.
gonna win this, by the way. He has the Denver Star.
Yeah, I
He's
know,
doing really
dude.
good. I haven't had a reason to head over yet. I could steal 3 stars. I'm gonna stay here.
I mean, you're pretty up there too, Luke.
Yeah,
some
but then
third-
Dude,
my
can I
star's
roll
gonna
high
get-
for once?
well, my
please?
star's gonna get stolen again somehow, anyways. So
I need
Oh, yeah,
like.
well, Star took mine, so I'm taking mine from Star next.
I have 3
Let's
event
make
stations. I
chance
think
time.
Star has 4.
You know, now that I think about it, maybe I'm in the runnings for the rich
And I
star.
don't think
Yeah,
I
I
don't
think
think I
you
won
are.
either. I don't think I won either of the other bonus stars.
Because I beat you guys at money belts, so I think I'm gonna get
Ooh,
the
Leaf
rich
Leap,
star.
Leaf
Yeah,
Leap.
and
Aw, not this
you
one.
also fucking got the
Can we please play a new one?
point.
Ugh.
Oh shit! Please don't let me be first, please. I need to win this.
Oh, it's flat.
Please, I don't want to be first, not me.
I was hoping it was a new one, but alas.
Fuck you, you fucking
Oh.
piece of shit motherfucker. Come on, dude.
This is why we haven't come back to Super Rush. We need to play that again, dude.
Oh, it lagged.
Please disconnect. God damn it, man. Hopefully the lag makes you guys miss it somehow. That'd be wonderful.
It might be Brando again because he's typing.
Probably. Yeah, that's true.
Oh gosh,
this mini game
it needs
of all
perfect
mini
connection right now when Star's trying to aim.
Come on. Fuck it up somehow. That was too hard, dude. Let's go.
Right? It's like lag just makes this much harder.
Let's go, Brando. Working for me. Thank you, buddy. Unless you fucking get a hole in one right here somehow.
Oh yeah, it's just Brando's lag switch because now it's fine.
Lag switching.
I'm swiped. I think. Oh no, that is. Yeah,
Damn
Brando
it.
lag switch. That's crazy, dude. Why would you do that?
Let's go!
He lag switched sometimes. Oh gosh.
Dude, why'd I have to go fucking
Fucking
first,
misses
man?
somehow. Okay.
Come on.
I mean, I'll take the coins, but Brando really said lag switch.
This game just loves screwing me over.
Same.
Shut up, 4 stars. Oh wait, you don't have 4 anymore.
Oh yeah, fucking 4.